Isometric art is a very deep rabbit hole. Some of my veterans can let you know about that. There's a couple videos sitting here, including this one you're watching. I just want to let you know this starter file, when you unzip it, you're going to get a 2-layer Photoshop file. Okay, that's what those 2 layers are like. The videos that follow are going to take you through my experiment. I don't want you to replicate my experiment. I want you to try different things. I want you to end up with things that are totally different from what I do. In future videos, I'm going to show you how this was made. I'm going to give you the tools to create all kinds of variations of isometric art using cubes. You can take it so much further from there. This is, like I said, it is a very deep rabbit hole, and there are so many different ways you can go. For right now, this is just kind of a warm-up. So back on the quest, do not submit anything. There's going to be more videos here, so just hang on, have some fun with this. If you exhaust the possibilities, and you won't, but if you get tired of this, go ahead and move on to a different one. Look at the board, see what else is available in the design challenges.